Hello, Deborah. This is Daniel from Josh and Danny SEO. Lydia gave me go ahead and send this over to you. So let's take a look at everything you got, see what's going on, and see if there's anything we can help. So I do like how you have your Facebook here. It's your website, which is great, but the main thing I'm looking at is your GMB. So it's great that you have a location. Perfect. Most people do not. I mean, it's located. That's pretty good. Oh, no address. Open, close, phone. This is looking pretty good. You got your products in here. Good, good, good. The thing I will talk about is no, you're doing fine. I really don't have much to say. You're gonna want more Google reviews to knock out and get that back up to like a 4.5 or something, but otherwise you're doing good. I will say that 30% of all people will go to the GMB area. So if you have multiple locations, maybe create another one as well for those locations. But that's my free advice there. Anyway, let's go over to your website, see what's going on over here. I like it. It's good structure. You know, you got your Facebook and Instagram. You got your call us today with it's a click to call. You have all your stuff here: additions, flooring, remodeling, kitchen design. Excellent. You did a great job over here. I don't like how it follows me so closely. If anything, it should be like more of a translucent thing, so it can go right through, or it should only follow on the top a little bit. But it cuts off half your screen now. Call us. Is this a click to call? Okay, anytime you have call us at or you have your number here, it needs to be a click to call. So definitely switch that. I like how there's a countdown picture. That's good. Make an appointment. Good, good, good. Our projects, flooring, design, bathroom. I like how you stack it. That's very nice. Overall, I have no complaints or nothing to really talk about over here. Maybe a little bit more content, kind of explaining everything you do. But otherwise, solid website. I would say just like a little bit, more on the content side. So you talk about each one. But let's look at the back end and see what we got going on over there. So as far as websites go, I use something called Ahrefs. It lets me know how Google kind of thinks about you guys. So a UR rating is how strong your website is. A DR rating is how much Google trusts you, like who your connections are based on backlinks and referring domains and stuff. But a backlink is essentially where you have your website link, apadvanced.com, somewhere else where somebody can click on it, and a referring domain is when they return to you, or uniquely return to you. So, you can have, because you can have 10 backlinks all going to one site. Like, those don't count. But the last thing I'm going to talk about is organic keywords over here. So you got 90 different organic keywords, 90 different variations of what somebody can put into Google and have them connect them with you if you are ranked high enough for it. So let's take a look at what those are for you. So AP Advanced Construction, don't care much about that. When you have a keyword, you want them to be very specific, which means you want them to have both a location and a service. Like this, kitchen and bathroom modeling, Jacksonville, Florida. That's great. Because I know, and you do want like some of these guys, but the more targeted it becomes, the better it is. This is how we create Google Ads as well. You have bathroom remodel, Jacksonville, Florida. I would focus on this one as much as you possibly can because 150 people a month search for it. Yes, you're not getting any traffic, but that's because you're in position number 34. So as I'm going through, it looks like you have a lot of the great stuff over here. Bathroom showrooms, if you have one, great. Bathroom remodeling, Jacksonville. You have a lot of great keywords in here, and it looks like a lot of these are new. You have just gotten these within the past 8 days, 7 days. All within April a little bit over here, or like toward the tail end of March. Some of them one day ago. But we just got to get them up there. We got to start moving them up. So it looks like you are taking an active role in trying to boost yourself up. We got to now focus on, unfortunately, good referring domains. Not all are equal. Some are more spammy than others. Like, you don't want BuzzFeed and Wikipedia, but you do want your, anything that's going to boost you up in the eyes of Google, like reputable sites, stuff like that. But let me show you what happens when I put in Remodeler Jackson, Florida. Or let's do that. Remodel. I don't even know if anyone would put that in, but we got smarter remodeling. Let's see what they got. I wonder if that's. I have no idea. General contracting Jacks. It is same person. Anyway, they are your top competitor in the area. They are number 2 or number 1 in the kind of the organic search. Anyone can rank there as long as you know what you're doing. But smarter remodeling. They have gallery, resident. I mean, I don't care that it does all that stuff, but it's good to have. Premier design. What's going on? Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Because if I'm trying to scroll down on my laptop over here, I have to now go to the side over here in order to scroll down. So okay, I don't like that anyway. A lot of people might get pissed off and leave. Okay, that's good. That's good. I would have had a little more, transparent. This is good. Being able to see. Either my laptop is small or they really did a terrible job on making sure that it looks normal. Otherwise, no, they have the content, they have everything. And again, they're still ranked number 1, so they're doing something well. But let's take a look at their back end. A UR rating of 28, DR of 20. They're doing something really right here. You want these in a ratio of 1 to 1, in the 30s and 40s at least. But, I'm not going to really get into too much detail here. They have less backlinks than you. A little bit more referring domains, I believe, and they're ranked a little bit higher because again, it's all about quality of the backlinks, not about the quantity so much. Now they also have 4 times the amount of keywords than you do, so let's find out what those keywords are and if they're doing any better with them. They're pulling a lot of traffic for this one. But general contractors, Jacksonville, Florida, 150. They're pulling in 15, position 7. Now, typically when you're position 1, 2, and 3, you'll pull about 10 to 20% of all people. So, I mean, these numbers are fine, but, it can always be more. Of course, they're position number 3. They're getting a little more than, what is that, like 15% right there? Smart Builder, don't care. Jacksonville Contractors, I care about 80. They're getting 9. They're in position number 4. So they are pulling some traffic over here. And there might be, if I used a different keyword to do my search, there might be some better people to find in. But they're a good example because they're still pulling in a good amount of traffic for excellent types of keywords. Home remodeling contractor, Jacksonville, Florida. Service and location all in one. So how does this really help you out? I noticed that you do have 90 keywords. You are pulling in, not traffic, per se, but you are pulling in the right keywords. So what you got to do is we got to boost them up. So we got to get you more backlinks and more referring domains, and we got to target those keywords to start pushing them up. Otherwise, I can't see too much. I don't know how your GMB is optimized or where it ranks, but again, you want those in the top 3 simply because if you don't, you won't get, no one looks at a GMB. That's, no one clicks the more button to kind of look down. You have to assume everyone is lazy. So you got to make it the easiest way for people to move forward throughout your site. Anyway, I really hope this is helpful for you. If you do have any questions for me, please reach out, let me know. Other than that, you have an amazing day. Bye.